Hi, I'm Dipankar and today I'll show you how to create postal code based delivery rates through Bird app. In the scenario that you see in front of you, I'm running a bakery store in Vancouver and I'm currently delivering to these particular pin codes and I charge a delivery rate of $10. But now as a store owner, I want to expand and start delivering in the western part of the city and charge $20 for these particular pin codes because it is far. Similarly, I want to also charge $30 for these set of pin codes in the eastern part of the city because they are further away. Now let us see how we can configure the same in the Bird app. In your Bird app, generally inside your locations, you would have the main store location. Once we go into the main store location, you could see that I have already enabled local delivery and pickup. Inside the local delivery, I also have a rate configured here as well. Now, let us go ahead and see how to create the additional locations. Now inside this location, inside the main location, I go and duplicate this location. When I duplicate this location, a new location is created as a copy of the location. The inventory of that location is same as the main location. This does not have any relation to your Shopify location and this location is specific to Bird app only. Let us call this that the Vancouver West Zone, right? And now I enable local delivery for this. And inside my local delivery, I go and I paste all the pin codes that I had decided for where I will charge $20, right? And I go in there, I replace the current pin codes with all these pin codes and I click on save. I have created a location for my west zone. Similarly, I would again create a location for my east zone as well. So let's duplicate the location again, change the name, keep it Vancouver East Zone, enable local delivery, and then go ahead, copy the pin codes or just type the pin codes, whatever is suitable for you. Copy the pin codes and go ahead and replace these pin codes and click save. Now, once I've done that, you would realize that there are no rates configured. We have just created those locations, but we have not assigned rates. So what we need to do now is go into the rates page, and now you will see all the three locations that are visible there. There is one rate that is there in the Vancouver main store. So now there are these 14 postal codes in the West Zone. So now let us add the rate in the West Zone. Let's call it the West Zone delivery. And since I want to charge $20 here, I put $20. And similarly, I can create one East Zone delivery. And since I want to charge $30, I put $30 here. Now my configuration is complete. Let us check on the store. I'm trying to ship this particular product. Let us look at one of the initial pin codes that I had. So when I put that particular pin code, I select a particular date and I check out, and ideally I should get a delivery charge of $10, which is the case. So I get a delivery charge of $10. Now I want to check if my Western pin codes are working. So let's pick one of the Western pin codes and try it out with that. So let's put the Western pin code, again pick a date and check out. And ideally now I should have a $20 delivery fee. And as you can see, we have a West Zone delivery, which is a $20 delivery fee. Now finally, just to complete this, let us check if my East Zone delivery is also working fine. If my East Zone delivery is also working fine, I go ahead, paste one of the pin codes from the East Zone, select a date and check out. And ideally, I should now see a $30 delivery fee, which is the case. As you see, it's eZone delivery, which is $30. So that is how you can create postal code based rates inside the Bird app. Thank you, and reach out if you have any queries.